So we know you're passionate about women entrepreneurship. So can you share a little bit about your journey as a woman entrepreneur?
Absolutely. Well, first to start off, my name is Krystal. I'm the founder of Empowered by Women, and I'm also mother to 3 beautiful babies, 2 girls and 1 boy. And I've always known I was going to be an entrepreneur, but it was really when I became a first-time mom that I started diving back into all the things that made me me and not just me as a mother. And a lot of that had to do with creativity. So fast forward a few years, I launched a product line called Bijou, which is a jewelry organizer designed to look like a coffee table book. And going into that launch, I knew I just wanted an amazing community of women around me because I feel like we need that. So Empowered by Women started at the beginning of 2022, kind of on a whim. I really just wanted to create an inspiring space with some bomb energy, and it really naturally grew, and I recognized that there is a deep desire, not just from me, but from all the other women out there that wants to have that kind of community, that want to have that kind of support. And I truly believe that by us as women coming together, that is how we have the most amazing trajectory, we propel all of our biggest dreams forward, and we have fun doing it. So I just love all my gals out there that are making big moves, bold moves, following their dreams. I truly do believe that you deserve it. That is my mission, to be a reminder to all of you that you are not only capable, but so absolutely deserving of building a life that you love, building a business that you love, and I'm just having fun along the way, so come have fun with me.
Awesome.